Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix the recipient's account is unable to accept payments on Cash App. If you guys are new to the channel, if you could give us a like and consider subscribing, that would be amazing. Okay, let's get straight into it. So this issue is mainly caused by the actual recipient's account. So if that is the case and they are suffering with this, then if you just send them this video, this is how they can fix the problem. So the first thing they're going to want to do is come up to their profile icon in the top right hand corner. And then when you're on your account section, we just want to scroll all the way down till we get to security and privacy. Okay, then in this section, we're going to scroll down where we have incoming requests and cash.app. So this is to allow people and others to request money from their account. So they need to make sure that these are turned on. So if we just select those both on at the minute, so we've got incoming requests turned on, and then the cash.app, also others to find you on the actual Cash App using your cash tag. So these are both selected as on, and then we'll just come back out of here. Okay, if there is actually still an issue, then it could be that there's an actual issue with Cash App. So the next thing that I would suggest having your recipient do is actually contact Cash App directly. So get them to go into their profile icon again, and then scroll all the way to the bottom where we have support and select there. And then next, we're going to open a chat right at the bottom of this next page, contact us and select chat, and then just open a messaging service with Cash App support and explain the issue, and then they should be able to help. And that's it. That's how to fix Cash App recipients unable to accept payments. I really hope you found this video useful. If you could give us a like and subscribe, we'd really appreciate it. And I'll catch you guys in the next one.